मंत्री काब्रालाक देवयलो ताचेर नव्यान सपूत घेतिल्लो मंत्री अलेक्स सिक्वेरा कितें म्हणटा आयकात.
As a minister, I believe I am answerable to the whole of God. So with your support, I hope I perform well. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister, the BJP party president. I was informed that I was becoming a minister at about 11 o'clock in the morning today. One of the promises fulfilled was, it was a promise given, I believe, to the group. Nilesh Kabral is concerned. I feel very awkward. I feel at times embarrassed because Nilesh has been a friend of mine. Nilesh has helped me even when I was not an MLA.
नव्या मंत्र्याक खंयचे पोर्टफोलिओ मेळटले, पयलींच्या पोर्टफोलिओन कितें बदल जातले ताचेर विचार तरी करपाक वेळ दियात म्हूण मुख्यमंत्र्याची मिडियाक जाप. आमदार दिगंबर म्हणटा सिक्वेराक मंत्री केल्या उपरांत आपलो मोटीव साध्य जालो. दिगंबराक केन्ना मंत्रीपद मेळटा काय विचारल्यार मात परती देव जाणा म्हूण जाप.
Alex was destined to be the minister in this cabinet. I am happy that it has ultimately materialized and today he has taken the oath as the cabinet minister. Only Alexa begin जावप हो म्हजो मोटीव आसा आणि I have fulfilled that motive.
So are you in the race?
That God knows.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.